In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section to your LinkedIn profile. It's a simple process, but adding a section can really enhance your professional presence. So let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn by typing linkedin.com into the address bar. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in. You can do this using your Google or Microsoft account, or by entering your email address and password. Now, if you've enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account by entering a code sent to your phone number. This is just an extra security measure to ensure your account stays safe. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your profile. Start by clicking on your avatar picture, which you'll find in the upper right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. This will bring up a drop-down menu where you'll need to click on View Profile. Now you're on your main profile page. Just below your profile picture, you'll see an option to Add Profile Section. Clicking this will allow you to expand the kinds of information showcased on your profile. Next, you'll have to choose which section you want to add. LinkedIn offers a variety of sections to choose from, such as work experience, education, licenses and certifications, skills, and many more. Once you've decided, simply click on the section you're interested in. In some cases, there might also be subsections available for you to select that offer more specific details. After choosing your section, a pop-up window will appear. Here you'll be entering the information you want to add. Make sure to fill this out as accurately and completely as possible, since detailed and accurate information makes your profile more appealing to potential employers or connections. LinkedIn might ask for certain details, such as job titles, descriptions, or dates, depending on the section you've selected. Take your time to input the most relevant and impressive information you have. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, you'll see a Save button at the bottom of the pop-up window. Go ahead and click that, and just like that, the new section will be added to your profile. Congratulations! You've now successfully added a section to your LinkedIn profile. With these steps, you can make your LinkedIn profile stand out and fully reflect your professional journey. Remember, keeping your profile updated is a great way to make a solid impression in your industry. Thank you for watching, and be sure to join us for more helpful tutorials.